In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Jira workflow from scratch. If you're looking to optimize your project management skills and streamline your processes in Jira, then you're in the right place. Let's dive in and break this down step by step to ensure you can customize your project workflows exactly how you need them. First, you'll want to navigate to your Jira project and head over to the board view. This is where all the action happens. The board view provides a comprehensive overview of all the tasks, issues, and steps involved in your project at a glance. It's an essential tool for monitoring progress and identifying bottlenecks. Now, once you're in the board view, direct your attention to the top right corner. You'll see a three dots icon. This is your gateway to more tools and features within Jira. Go ahead and click on that icon. It's a simple yet crucial action as it opens up additional options that aren't immediately visible on the main screen. From this drop-down menu, you'll want to keep an eye out for the Manage Workflow option. Select it to proceed. This option is key because it gives you access to the workflow editor, where the real customization begins. In the workflow editor screen, you'll find yourself in a diagram view of your current workflow. The beauty of this interface is its interactivity. You can drag components around, modify their positions, and directly engage with your workflow's setup. This visual layout makes it incredibly easy to comprehend how different elements in your project work together and where changes need to be made. The workflow editor is your creative space to add new stages to your process, rearrange tasks, or remove unnecessary steps. It provides the flexibility to tailor processes to fit the unique demands of your project. Having a clear, well-organized workflow not only keeps your team aligned, but also increases efficiency and transparency in your project management efforts. Though this initial walkthrough of accessing and understanding the workflow editor covers the basics, there's so much more you can do in this space. Experiment with different configurations, and don't hesitate to refine your workflows as your project's needs evolve. With this foundational knowledge, you're well on your way to mastering workflow creation in Jira. Remember, practice makes perfect. So spend some time exploring the tools at your disposal and experimenting in the workflow editor. It's the key to unlocking Jira's full potential for your team's project management success. That's all for today. I hope you found this guide useful in setting up a Jira workflow from scratch. Keep these steps handy, and you'll be creating efficient, effective workflows in no time. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.